Hey, do you want to learn how to quickly sign in on Roblox? With this feature, what you'll be able to do is sign in from your mobile to PC. This is going to be useful for you if you forgot your password for PC and you just want to do a quick sign in and you have your account logged in on Roblox mobile app. So in order to do this, there are two ways. Either you can go over to Roblox app and do a quick sign in from there. It will show you a QR code and you do need to scan it with your mobile, or you can go over here on your mobile app on the top left corner, press on these three lines. Then you need to scroll down all the way and you're going to find quick sign in right here. Just need to press on this and then it's going to ask you for a code that you need to enter here to sign in as your username on a new device. You need to enter the code here. Here I've opened up Roblox app on my PC and I'm going to press on this sign in option. And then right here under it, if you scroll down, you'll find quick sign in. So let's press on this. So there are two options. You can either scan that QR code with your mobile camera, or you can use the second option that I just showed you. You can enter this code over there. So first, I'm going to show you with the mobile. So right here on your Android mobile, you need to scroll down from the top like this, swipe down, and then swipe down again. Now right here, you'll see these icons. You need to swipe to the left like this. And then you're going to see this first option, that is scan QR code. Let's press on that. It's going to open up your camera. Now just take it over there like this. And that is it. Now let's press on the open in browser. And it will automatically put the code in quick sign in. Now it says right here, confirm login on your other device. So just need to go over here and press on the confirm button and that is it. Let's do that. Login is successful and that is it. You're now logged in on your Roblox app on PC. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And if you want more Roblox guides, it will be available on the right hand side in a playlist. See you there. Bye for now.